Next thing to look at is addition in binary. Now, addition in binary is actually not that dissimilar from normal addition in denary. However, obviously, because we've only got 1 and 0, there's only 3 cases we can actually deal with. So 1 plus 0 is obviously going to be 1. If we have 2 1s, then the answer is going to be 0 with 1 as a carry. And if we've got 3 1s, and that's going to be one of them as a result of a carry, we're going to have 1. So let's have a look at this. So we start like we do in normal addition from the right hand side. So 1 plus 0 is going to be 1, and then we carry. Now in this scenario, we've got 2 1s, so the answer is going to be 0 with a carry 1. Okay, so I'm going to put the carry underneath it. Now, when you are writing out your binary addition answers, it's really important that you actually show the carry really, really clearly. So that could be as a number underneath it, or above it, whatever it happens to be. Just need to really, really clearly show the carry and where it goes. So we can keep going on. 1 plus 1, and with a 1 carry, is going to be 1 carry 1. Okay, so that's where that 1's come from. Then, because we've got carry 1 but no 1s there, the answer is just going to be 1. Then that's just going to be 1, another 1, finally. So those 2 binary numbers added together gives you this answer along the bottom. So it's good to actually practice that, because that's pretty much all there is to binary addition. So here's some practice ones. Have a go. Here are the answers to the first 2 questions. I've put the carry here, and I'll just put marked as C, and I've got the final answer here with an A. Make sure on your answers you can clearly see the carry as well. Here's the answer to the last question. Now, there is one other situation we've got to consider, and that's with overflow. Now, we've looked at overflow before, and this is where we have a number that's too big to be stored in the number bits we have. So if we have 8 bits, if I try and store a number that's bigger, for example, like 300, then I'm going to get overflow and get the wrong answer. So the same thing happens with addition. So if I add 2 numbers together where the result is bigger than 255, then I'm going to get overflow. So let's look at that example. So if I did this addition, you can see here I've got a situation where I'm going to get overflow, because 1 plus 1 is going to be 0, carry 1. Now, unfortunately, there's no bits there, so this becomes what we call overflow. So effectively, I'm not allowed it. So my answer becomes this here, which is the wrong answer. So this addition produced the result 19, when actually it should have been 275. You can see it's dramatically wrong. So let's actually have a go at some of these questions. Now, some of these questions may produce overflow, they won't all do it, so have a go at them. Here are the answers. So the first one, you can see created the overflow, and I've kind of marked the overflow column in orange, so you can clearly see. The second question, there was no overflow, so that's correct. And the third one is, when you answer a question in the exam and you get overflow, it's really important that you clearly show the overflow. In the mark schemes, they sometimes say they showed a little cross next to it, or physically written the word overflow next to it. That way, you're showing to the examiner, you understand that that is an incorrect answer. Okay, there's normally at least 1 mark available for that. So if you do find a situation with overflow, please make it really, really clear.